Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GSP with Mahesh. So in our video 3 in which we are doing this 17 videos in 17 hours challenge. So the next demo which I wanted to show is a unique situation where the gcloud instance, compute instance move fails. So let's look into that, and don't worry, even if it fails, Google always has a fallback option. You can use the snapshot to retrieve your uh, virtual machine which gets failed while moving. Let's see how this works in action. Before we look into the actual demonstration, so let's look into the official documentation of how to move a virtual machine between zones in the same region. And this is the official documentation, and if you look into that, there are certain limitations where this move option will not work if the virtual machine is in a terminated state, and if you wanted to move between two different regions, it's not going to work. And if you have virtual machines which is having local SSDs or GPUs, and if you're moving it to a different zone where GPUs or local SSDs are not available, it will fail there. And lastly, if you are having a shielded VM, it's going to fail. So that is the stuff. And I have also had done a video a year back on this part. The key here, these are the current limitations, but the one which I wanted to show is a unique situation. So for that, let's go to our compute engine screen, and where I have created a virtual machine in Mumbai B zone. All right. And if I try to create a virtual machine in another zone in Mumbai, I wanted to show you what is the error which you get. Currently, this could be a very unique thing which may not happen very frequently. So let me call it as Mumbai A. So I'll change the zone to region to Mumbai and specifically choose Mumbai A and click on create and see what is the output we get. So it should throw me an error. The reason is currently in Mumbai region, specifically in A zone, we have we have a resource constraint currently. So it shows you that there is no enough resource available. Let's verify that. So let's wait for a minute here for it to show the error. Yes, it has shown the error. And if you look at the error, it shows we don't have enough resource in Mumbai A zone. Now by mistake, if I try to, what it is very clear with the messages, we don't have resources in Mumbai A, and similarly same is the case with Mumbai C zone. Now we have a virtual machine in Mumbai B. Now if we have not done this check and we run a command like this, gcloud compute instances move the name of the instance from B zone to A zone, what happens is what I wanted to show, and in this case the move command will fail. Let's verify this, what happens. Let me hit enter, and the move process should start, where one of the stuff is it is going to take a snapshot. First it will shut down the virtual machine, it will take a snapshot and delete this instance, and using that snapshot it will create a virtual machine in the new zone. That is the entire process. Now since when it takes the snapshot, after taking the snapshot, it's going to delete the virtual machine, and only after deleting only it's going to create a new virtual machine. But in our case we are trying to provision it in A zone, and unfortunately currently in A zone there's no enough resource available. So what will happen literally is we will have the virtual machine deleted, but we will not have a new virtual machine created. And don't worry, definitely snapshots will help us. So let's wait for this to see what happens. If I just refresh it, the virtual machine has gone to stop state. So in a minute or so it's going to take a snapshot. So if I just go here to snapshots, you should see a snapshot will be getting created. So let me just show you that live, so no need to pause the video here, so that you can see something in live. You see this, the snapshot has been taken. It's at uh, 13 July 12:34 a.m. Now if I just refresh the screen, yes, the VM has gone. There's no more VM. The VM which we had provisioned in B zone is no more there. Now it's going to try to create a virtual machine in Mumbai A zone, and it will definitely throw an error saying that there's no enough resource. Let's just wait for the error message to come up. So this is a very unique scenario which I felt where your gcloud move option will fail. You see this? The error message which we saw in the notification when we manually created a virtual machine, the same thing which you get even in when you create it via the move command. So now what happens to the virtual machine which was there existing? Now the move has failed. Now and the VM is also removed. Now no need to worry. So this is where the design or the skill set of Google comes into picture. I would say you still have the backup or the snapshot. Use this snapshot. Just click on the snapshot or use the snapshot and create a virtual machine. If you just click on this instance or this snapshot, you should be able to create an instance back. But what you can do is you can only create the instance currently in Mumbai B zone only. So currently it is like that because C and A are already exhausted. There's no enough resource. So let me just show you that as a completeness. Mumbai B, go ahead and you see it is using the snapshot. Click create and you should have your virtual machine back in action. So whenever you do move stuffs, right, please refer to this documentation. And a very unique case which I figured it out was something which if the resource is not available there in that the new zone, you may have a issue like this, but snapshots comes to your rescue. Let's just wait for the VM to be provisioned fully. That will give you a completeness that we have used the right snapshot and the VM is proper there. So if I just refresh it, yes, it is getting created, all good. So that's the video which I wanted to show, and the credit goes to one of a very enthusiastic GCP learner who took my training, and his name starts with U. For confidential reason have not disclosed his complete name, but he was the one who gave this option why it is not working and which gave me a strike to create a video on this. Thank you for watching.